In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a direct message in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right into it. Whether you're using the desktop application, the web version, or even the mobile app, the process of sending a direct message in Slack is pretty straightforward. First things first, let's select your workspace. So you want to open Slack, and after you've logged in, take a look at the left sidebar. You'll see a list of workspaces that you're part of. Click on the specific workspace where your teammate is located. This is important because you want to ensure you're communicating within the right community, especially if you're a member of multiple workspaces. Once you've chosen your workspace, it's time to find the person you want to message. In the left sidebar, you'll see a section dedicated to direct messages. If the person you're looking for isn't already listed in your recent conversations, don't worry. At the very top of Slack, there's a search bar. Just click on that and type in the name of the person. This will help you quickly locate them, even if you haven't chatted in a while. Now that you've found the person you want to message, it's time to open their profile. Click on their name or their profile photo from the search results. By doing this, you'll open up a private chat window just for you and that person. You're one step closer to sending that message. Next, let's compose your message. At the bottom of the chat window, you'll see a text input area. Click inside this box and type out your message. It's always a good idea to take a moment to review your message before sending it to ensure that everything is clear and that you're conveying what you want to say. Clear communication can really make a difference in how your message is received. Once you're satisfied with your message, it's time to hit send. You have two options here. You can press the Enter key on your keyboard, or if you prefer, you can click the paper airplane icon, which is the send button right next to the text field. And just like that, your message is on its way. If for any reason you realize you made a mistake after hitting send, don't fret. Slack allows you to edit your messages even after they've been sent, so just click on the message and make your changes. Or if needed, you can delete it altogether. And there you have it. You've successfully sent a direct message in Slack. Whether it's for a quick question, sharing updates, or just checking in with a teammate, direct messaging is a powerful feature that enhances communication in the workspace. Thank you for joining me today as we went through the steps of sending a direct message in Slack. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks about using Slack and many other